So yeah, like Shawshank Redemption was actually filmed a little bit in Joliet, I think a little bit in Kilmainham jail, a few of the scenes, and then a little bit in another one. I forget the name of it though. Alright guys, so we're heading back out onto a lovely country road here. So yeah, you get this mixture of like still sort of old-fashioned farm country. This guy's probably sitting on some good land here, and then newly developed side on that side. See? Bicycle may use full lane ahead. Love to see that sign. Which we're not, but you know, we can always adopt the highway here. Yeah, so there's this like sort of country, suburban, unincorporated here versus incorporated on the other side, and versus like old school country. Oh wow, there's a big hill down here. And guys, we're gonna go back along some kind of a trail along the river again, or along that canal. Exhilarating! Right, so there's a trail, guys. Going down that road, yeah, this is the canal again. Boy, is it rough again. Alright, so we had a little minute of our of fun. And we are back on the not so fun canal trail again. Well, we'll make it work. I think this one's a little bit better shape here because it's got all these super developed suburbs here. Yeah, those definitely look like homes in the mid 600s. Okay, see, here's like a rubber mat and a fellow fishing. There we go. How you doing, fella? How you doing, fella? Okay, so nice update. .446 left to go. We're back on the trail. You know, the quicker we get on it and get rid of it, get done with it, and start heading more more northwest, sorry, northeast and more east, the trail will not come back to haunt us, I promise. I promise. It's gonna be a good proportion of our ride, but not the whole ride, so let's be happy about that. Hey. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, that was really low. Almost nicked my camera again. Yeah, that was super low, guys. Guys were jogging. Yeah, on a day like this, Sunday being a Sunday, this place will be crawling with folks, and especially, well, no, I think the Bears are on today at 12. I'm not sure. I didn't even check the schedule, or if they're on before 3. People are getting an exercise in before the pizza and beer. Yeah.